So hello viewers, welcome back to the weekly market update. I'm Aditya from the equity desk. So this week we had a very flat trading range. From the last week lows, the markets rebounded slightly to the tune of around 1% since we had a holiday and short week. And even the institutional activity overseas was very less. So on the broader markets, Nifty rose by around 1% in the week, and mid and small cap stood flat with a positive bias, rising by around 0.3 to 0.4% in this week. In the sectoral performance, metals, PSUs and media were the top losers, while pharma sector gained handsomely, rising by around 4% in this week. In the other Asian indices, the South Korean index shares slid after the short-lived martial law from their president, and Japan stocks, however, they rose as the Tokyo CPI came out better than expected. Although the CPI was heated, but that's what the Japanese economy was looking for. So the markets were positive in Japan. For the institutional activity, the foreign institutional investors had a quiet week, but they were still on the selling side, selling to the tune of around 5,000 crores for the entire week, while the domestic institutional investors have bought equities worth of 9,000 crores, so the net figure stands on the positive side. On the commodities side, gold and crude were on the flattish side on the movement, rising by around 0.4 to 0.5% in this week, while silver was the outperformer, rising by 1.5% to end the week on a good positive note. On the domestic news, IndusInd Bank is looking to sell off their 1,500 crore microfinance NPA loan book at a steep discount of 95% as they are looking to sell the book at around 95 to 100 crores. Bharat Forge has approved an investment of around 39 million euros into its foreign subsidiary, Bharat Forge Global Holdings. Whirlpool has partnered with PG Electroplast for PG to manufacture the washing machines for Whirlpool, and PG Electroplast has given a positive guidance on this acquisition, on this business deal, saying that their FY26 numbers can also be risen after this deal. The management of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services has given a strong guidance on their business as they plan to achieve $1 billion of turnover by FY30 to FY31 through strong acquisition, especially from the recent QIP that they had launched and which was fully subscribed positively. On the West, Michael Zind, the senior management in UBS Wealth Management, has said that it has been a sleepy end to the year and institutional activity is not so much in the US markets. And so he's also guiding that what happens in the year end should not be the guiding path to what can happen in January and February. On the other news, Toyota has headed on its best week as the company's senior management gave out guidance on the return to equity, and the guidance was much appreciated by the market. So Toyota had a very positive week. Honda also was on its best week since 2008 on the news of the merger with Nissan. Apple has also set a new all-time high with their market capitalization nearly $4 trillion. The so-called Magnificent Seven, be it Apple, be it Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, all of them have rose by more than 20% since the election day, indicating strong movement in the US markets. So thank you for tuning in for the last video of 2024, and we'll see you after the New Year's. Have a happy New Year, everyone. Thank you.